Oh, I didn't say record again, but darn it, I guess so. Yeah, suspect right there, boy. Look at that wisp coming in behind it. And look at this, y'all. Look at here, look at here, look at here. What is that? Whatever it is, it's moving on in for sure. I'm still watching that thing too. It hasn't lost its shape. Looks like a turtle to me. Look at all these flat clouds under our sun, up and one's above it. Really? Really? Starting to square off up there. What the hell is really going on? Huh? Don't let her jump on you like that. She gonna get herself in trouble. Lots of color coming up right here. Lots of color. Lots and lots and lots. Oh, Lord. Something's about to go down. Look at there, look at there. See all that color? And look at this fast moving cloud. He's moving so darn fast. Look at him, just a little lonely cloud up there. Getting it. Now it's starting to get real smoggy. What the hell do I see? What I think I see? Do y'all see that? Well, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, my phone wants to act a fool now. Right up. So damn bright. Oh yeah, definitely something up under there. Look at that. Can y'all see that darn reflection? Wow. I gotta get it off the sun though, y'all. And lo and behold, look how big this thing has gotten. And guess what's about to meet up with them? There come all the birds. Can y'all see them? They getting the hell on. All of them. Where the heck are they coming from? Y'all see? Oh, my dog's starting to bark. What's going on? Look at these. I've never seen so many birds at one time. Not these kind. What the heck is going on? Look at them. Oh my Jesus, how many? Where are y'all going? at that. Can y'all see them? They're just gliding on around the sun. Jeez, so many of them. Sandy, what are you barking at? There's 2 left astray, 3. What are they doing? Well, alright then. Birds came and the birds have gone. Nope, they have not gone. There's more right over there. Definitely something going on. I think I may want to change phones for the excitement. Yeah, let's do that.